So speaking of AI, it is such a game changer as you also clearly mentioned. Beyond smart cities, how do you see AI shaping other sectors?
So AI has huge potential. Smart cities. I would say AI cuts across every vertical, every sector, and every individual. Right? Smart cities is just one mere use case of AI, but every single individual, every single sector will have some role that AI will play in those particular sectors, and will be an enabler for improved processes, improved service delivery, improved governance as we move forward. Healthcare certainly is one of the major such sector where we can we are already seeing that there is a lot of predictive diagnostics where AI is playing a major role, and is directly saving lives over there, right? Similarly, even I see a huge use case for AI in the logistics sector, be it ports, airports, uh, 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 even your critical infrastructures, right? These are some of the other areas where AI can play a major role.